Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Subhasri Ma'am. Hope all of you are fine. And today we will do exercise 1C from RS Aggarwal textbook of class 7. We have done already addition, subtraction and multiplication of integers. So today we will do division of integers. So let us start exercise 1C. Here I will do some different types of selected sum and remaining sums you will do by yourself. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment box. I will definitely clear your doubt. So let us start. First one is divide 65 by minus 13. So how we will write it? We will write 65 by minus 13. Now see, minus 13 is a negative integer and it is in the denominator. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1. See how we will do? We will write 65 into minus 1 and by minus 13 into minus 1. Okay. This way you will write. Now simply you will multiply 65 into minus 1. So what will come? Minus 65. Okay now. Next one. Minus 13 into minus 1. Minus we know what? Plus. So plus 13. So minus 65 by 13. Now we will cancel. 13 ones are 13 and 13 fives are 65. So minus sign is there. Please take care of this. So you will write what? Minus 5 by 1. And if denominator is 1, so we can write the number numerator as it is. So our answer is minus 5. Clear? Now go for the next sum. Sum number 2, that is minus 84. You will divide minus 84 by 12. So simply you write same way, minus 84 by 12. Okay, now denominator is positive integer, so no need to multiply by minus 1. You simply do the cancel work. 12 ones are 12 and 12 sevens are 84 and minus sign is there. So our answer will come what? Minus 7. I hope this much is clear to all of you. Now next one, that is sum number 8. Divide minus 36 by minus 1. Okay. So simply you write this way, minus 36 divide by minus 1. ऊपर नीचे देखो minus minus, so cancel this minus sign both the cases. Now 36 by 1. So if 1 is in denominator, we can write as it is 36. So 36 is our answer. Next one, number 9. Sum number 9 is what? Divide 0 by minus 31. So simply you write 0 by 31 minus 31. So simply if we divide 0 by any number, the answer will come simply 0. So next sum, number 10. Divide minus 63 by plus 63. So you simply write minus 63 divide by plus 63. So 63 both are same number. 63 ones are 63, 63 ones are 63. So our answer is minus 1. Okay. So next one, that is sum number 11. Divide minus 23 by minus 23. Here also you write same way, minus 23 divide by minus 23. So minus sign we will cut and 23 also, 23 both are same number. So that also we will cut. So what will everything we have cancelled. So our answer will come simply 1. Okay, not 0. Okay. Now divide minus 8 by 1. All of you can do it. That is minus 8 by 1. And you know, if denominator is 1, we can write the numerator as it is. So our answer is minus 8. Okay. And other sums you try. And if you can't, ask me. Hope all of you understood and practiced properly. And bye bye.